Today, we're reviewing Beonbit.com, a platform that claims to offer high quality returns on investments. But is it legit or just another online trap? This review is based purely on research from official sources and independent reviews, so please do your own due diligence before taking any financial action. According to Beonbit.com's official website, Beonbit markets itself as a passive income opportunity, promising returns of up to 1.5% per day. It positions itself as an advanced financial solution for crypto investors. But the site offers no clear business model, no explanation for how returns are generated, and no physical products or services. Registration is easy, but it also asks for personal information like name, email, and phone number. According to Trustpilot, Bit currently holds a 3-star rating with just 37 reviews, and a concerning 43% of them are 1 star. Here are a few highlights. Some users claim they got refunds thanks to outside legal support from services like Justice Legal or Imperial Waves, not Bit itself. A critical review details a withdrawal request that was canceled without explanation and describes unresponsive customer service across all support channels. The user also expressed discomfort over how much personal data Bit asks for, calling the platform tricky and scam like. Now, according to scamdetector.com, the site's validator tool gives Beonbit.com a low to medium trust score of 45.7. Tags associated with the site include doubtful, medium risk, and alert, red flags for potential scams. While according to the crypto.org, this platform lays out a strong case against Beonbit. It lists multiple warning signs, including unrealistic returns of 1.5% per day, a classic scam tactic. No verifiable proof of how returns are generated. Fake testimonials and payment screenshots designed to lure new users. No actual product or service. The system relies entirely on recruitment, which strongly resembles a pyramid scheme. Data collection risks, including potential misuse of your name, email, and phone. Similarities with other fraudulent platforms like Aegeon, known for their unsustainable recruitment based business models. The crypto also notes that while the domain registration is long term, a tactic often used to build false trust, the risks remain serious. Based on all available information, Bit.com raises multiple red flags, from unrealistic returns and a lack of transparency to questionable business practices and poor customer support. This platform appears to be far from trustworthy. Unless major, verifiable changes are made, we do not recommend investing in Bit. This review is based entirely on publicly available information and independent reviews as of 2025. We are not affiliated with Bit, nor do we offer financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed professional before making financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.